Hi gang, I was asked what some of these control buttons do, and I don't think I've ever discussed that, so I guess I'll take the opportunity now to do that. We'll start right here. This is a valve that I've got it plumbed in down here where I can have an air chuck to run it for displays, and plumbed in for compressed air, or I can shut it off, and of course here's my water tank and the valve for that to fill the boiler on the go. I have a built-in gauge. I don't know if I can get it there. And this knob controls the amperage. You see that? I ran it up down for my boiler heat. This one here is kind of doesn't do much anymore. I had one time thought I would I had the bar and I hooked it up to this pump right here to pump the water in, and you can see it goes back and forth. It's 12 volt operated too, but it's too slow to keep primed, so it really didn't work very well. I need to speed the ratio up, and I just haven't messed with it. This lever right here turns the lights on. Every workstation has a light above it. I don't know how fresh the batteries are, but that's what that does. And then these are in sets of 2 right here, and this is a speed control for the crane, which I don't know if you can see the crane in there. And that one moves it left and right, and I can also slow it down so it barely even creeps. Come to almost complete stop. Speed it right up, and then these sets, again, a set of 2, one to actually just make it work and the other one for speed. Got a little brass milk jug hooked up with my overhead crane, and I can slow it down to just about nothing. I generally leave it wide open. That speed is pretty good. When I show this, I let the kids play with these buttons, as long as I don't let them run the crane to the end and strip the gears out, because it doesn't have the safety to stop it. But that crane is very powerful. It would snap that chain easily. Got 2 12 volt motors about as big as potatoes, and they would probably lift 20 pounds, I'm guessing, the way I have it geared up there. I don't know if we can see it, but that's what the buttons do. And have a great day.